So the idea of love without attachment is very important in the Buddhist philosophy because it is attachment to things that causes suffering. However, what's happened is that often this lack of attachment has been interpreted to be the same as a detachment. And detachment is actually very cold. It's a kind of an aversion almost, a kind of sociopathic or psychopathic type of state. Because if you're detached, that means you have no sort of emotion whatsoever. Now, when you look at the texts or what the great masters have said, they all emphasize that when you have a genuine lack of attachment, a lack of ego, a lack of duality, then your feelings of love and compassion should increase more because your ego isn't involved. And this is where I think women in particular feel that some male teachers have somehow, or for some reason, they've misinterpreted this lack of attachment to mean like a cold detachment, whereas a lack of attachment is actually should be full of love and joy and compassion for beings.